Welcome back to our channel, Urban Garden Republic. In today's episode, we're going to tackle a common issue many gardeners face: rescuing overwatered and underwatered plants. It's a vital skill for ensuring the health and longevity of your beloved greens. Let's get started! Rescuing an overwatered plant. A surprisingly common mistake. Signs of an overwatered plant include yellow or brown leaves that feel soft and mushy. If the soil is waterlogged and has a musty smell, it's a clear indicator of overwatering. To rescue such a plant, the first step is to stop watering immediately. Let the soil dry out. Check if your pot has adequate drainage. If not, it's time for some repotting. Choose a pot with good drainage holes or add more perlite or coarse sand to the existing soil to improve drainage. Next, gently remove the plant and trim away any yellow or brown leaves, as well as soft, mushy roots. This step is crucial as it removes the damaged parts and allows the plant to focus on regenerating healthy roots and leaves. Allow the soil to dry out before you water again. When you resume watering, do it cautiously and less frequently. Keep an eye on the soil moisture and only water when the top inch feels dry. Over time, watch for new growth, a sign that your plant is on the mend. Rescuing an underwatered plant. The symptoms here include dry, crispy leaves and soil that's dry to the touch. If your plant is severely underwatered, here's how you can nurse it back to health. Start by watering the plant slowly and thoroughly. For extremely dry soil, consider soaking the entire pot in a tub of water for a few minutes. This helps the root ball absorb water more evenly. After rehydrating, remove any dry or dead leaves and stems. This helps the plant direct its energy to new growth. Move the plant to a location with appropriate light and temperature, avoiding direct hot sunlight. Establish a consistent watering schedule. Water the plant as needed, ensuring you're not overdoing it. Regular monitoring is key. Keep an eye on the soil moisture and the plant's overall health. Finally, look for signs of recovery like new growth or improvement in leaf color and texture. It's a process that requires patience and attention, but with the right care, many plants can bounce back beautifully. Remember, every plant is unique, and their water needs can vary widely. Adjust your care routine based on the specific needs of your plant. And if you're ever in doubt, especially for valuable or sensitive plants, don't hesitate to consult with a local nursery or gardening expert. Thank you for joining us in this episode on rescuing overwatered and underwatered plants. Your plants are resilient, and with your care, they can thrive again. For more gardening tips and tricks, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Urban Garden Republic. Happy gardening!